Who made that mess?
Tippy. I didn't. Lexi did. No. Yes, you did.
Lexi, are you telling stories?
Yeah.
Who did that, Lexi?
Itchy. No,
really?
she didn't.
Lexi, are you telling stories? Lexi.
I did it too.
What's that?
Mickey too. Big mess.
Big.
I just purple now.
Yeah.
A shovel. She's making my toe. That's weird. I can help her sleeve these. Ouch. Tippy, no.
Chip, you're not eating that, are you?
Hi, Lily Toodles. Oh, it keeps getting on my finger.
Oh, I see.